In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to complete payment in Hostinger. If you have a pending payment in your Hostinger account and you're not sure where to find it, don't worry. This process is very simple, and in just a moment, I'll show you exactly where to go so you can complete your payment quickly and without confusion. To get started, open your Hostinger account and make sure you are logged in. Once you're inside your dashboard, take a moment to look around so you can easily follow the next steps. The main goal here is to access the section where your account billing information is managed. Next, go to your profile. This is usually where you can access account-related settings and important information connected to your Hostinger account. Clicking on your profile will open the options you need in order to move toward the payment area. From there, click on Billing. This is the section where Hostinger allows you to manage your payments. If you ever need to review charges, subscriptions, or payment-related activity, this is the place you'll come back to. It's essentially the control center for anything connected to billing inside your account. Once you're in the billing section, look under Subscription. In this area, you will be able to see any pending payments associated with your account. If there is a payment that has not been completed yet, it should appear there clearly so you can review it. Now, find the specific pending payment that you want to complete and select it. Make sure you choose the correct one, especially if you have more than one subscription or service listed in your account. Taking a quick second to confirm the payment details can help you avoid selecting the wrong item. After selecting that payment, you can proceed with completing it. At this point, you'll simply follow the on-screen prompts provided by Hostinger to finish the payment process. As long as you are in the correct subscription and payment entry, you're in the right place. And that's it. That's how to complete a payment in Hostinger. As a quick tip, if you regularly manage hosting services, it's a good idea to check your billing section from time to time so you can catch pending payments early and avoid any interruption to your subscription or service. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.